spreadsheet is one means of recording your work breakdown structure and allocating resources. It's not a Gantt chart, it is simply a static list of tasks where we can record the durations of the tasks, the percentage complete, the resources allocations and any comments, etc. It is designed so that it can be copied and pasted into a software product that may manage the Gantt charts if this is deemed necessary. As with all standards, the tasks are broken down into the order or process of the project, including concept, design, implementation and finalisation. The concept stage being all the tasks that must be undertaken to clear the go-ahead for the project, including approval by board or senior management, business plans that validate that the project was worthy of going ahead. Similarly with financial plans, all the tasks that must be undertaken which clarify the approval of the concept of the project. The second stage is design, which is all about the planning stage of the project, getting everything ready in order for the project to go ahead. The third stage is implementation, so it's putting into practice everything that has been planned for in the design and planning stage. And finalisation goes through a review of the project and completes and ties up all the loose ends. With this spreadsheet, it doesn't work any different than any other spreadsheet, apart from the fact that we are looking at tasks and subtasks. So in this line we have the objective. The objective may be to approve business plan. In order to do that, we need to write the business plan and present to the board. A subset of writing the business plan may be to get the financials, write the history or the background, which relates to why the project's being undertaken, and develop the plan. We don't need the subtask, so we can simply select the 2 lines or 2 rows, right click and say delete. Present to the board. We may need to set as agenda item to the next board meeting to ensure that we've got the time allocated. We may need to prepare the presentation pack and to attend and present. Again, we don't need the last 2 tasks. However, we might have a task where we've got to achieve more tasks than what's available. We can simply select the task, right click and say insert. And then write the tasks in as we need to. Similarly, if we need to have another objective, we can select the objective and copy it down to another line and then put the master task underneath it. There's no right or wrong with this. This is simply trying to use a spreadsheet to be able to record the tasks in the order that we want to do them. Under the resources, we can put names, initials, and then when we return to the task list, when we have a look at the resources, in the resources column, we can select the people that are going to work on these particular projects. Notice that NA is wherever there's a heading. That allows us to sort these later on. So it's no more difficult than that. Use the spreadsheet to write down your tasks, make sure your resources are listed, including all the details, what they're responsible for, etc. Then allocate those resources back against the tasks in the project.